You're most welcome. I'm humbled to have you here to learn. Today we are going to learn about Excel. We are going to look at Microsoft Excel and a few words, a few terminologies we use as we are using Microsoft Excel. So we are going to use our Excel work. It's here on the desktop. We are opening it. So in Excel, we have rows and columns. The columns are marked by A, B, C, those alphabets. Let's go to the right. Then the rows are numbered by the numbers. You can see one increasing downwards from top to bottom. A row and column intersect to form a cell. And then we talk about a name box. A name box is the cell reference to the active cell, like this, like where, for example, here. This is B6. So a name box is the cell reference of the active cell. For example, this is B8. Then the cell, we have what we call a worksheet. These cells all collect up to form a worksheet, and in an Excel file we have very many sheets. For example, you can have sheet 1, first sheet, and you can tap this plus sign to create more sheets. As you can see, I'm creating. We have sheet 1, 2, 3, 4. So our work is in sheet 1. Then a collection of these worksheets form a workbook in an Excel. We also talk about a formula bar. In Excel, a formula bar contains the value of the active cell. For example, if we were calculating the total here, you say equal sign sum from here. You see that what I'm typing in G2 is being shown up here. So that is what is called the formula bar. For it, it displays the values in the active cell. Whatever you're typing is shown up in the formula bar. I would also like to talk about formulas and functions. A function and a formula are used in making calculations. We feed them in the cell and do our calculations on the data that we are given. The difference between a formula and a function is that a function is inbuilt, like is computer based. In other words, the function is computer defined, whereas a formula is user defined, implying that we can easily differentiate between a function and a formula. So we shall use the total marks of each student to understand the difference between a function and a formula. So for the function, we shall start by putting an equal sign and typing sum. So we are getting the sum from, it is B2 to this E2. Then we close and press enter. Then we autofill the rest to get the sum. That is when we are using the function. Then for the formula, we are going to add manually. We start by putting equal sign. We say B2 plus C2 plus D2 plus E2. Enter and we get the answer. We autofill to get for the remaining students. So we see no difference in the totals. The totals under the function and the formula are the same. Then the other thing is to position. To position is like ranking. So let's also learn how to rank. So we are going to rank. The formula is you start by putting equal sign rank G2, which is the first value of the total here, from G2 to G6. We fix G2 to G6 because we want, in case they add any other student, the student is automatically positioned. So that's the reason for fixing it. 0 is for ascending order and 1 is for descending order. Then we press enter. We enter it. See that the first one is positioned. We autofill for the rest, as you can see. So we have been able to position the students in ascending order. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so humbled.